Hello and welcome to the lesson. We are reviewing the iReady Grade 4 Math Packet, page 13, Modeling Multi-Step Problems. And we have a set of story problems, and each of those problems is going to require us to uh, complete more than one step in order to find the solution. And so a lot of times it's useful to create some sort of model to solve the problem. That could just be writing an equation. It also could be drawing some sort of picture. Um, it could be using some sort of graph. Depends on how you see it. So the strategy that you use is up to you, but I want you to think about different strategies that you can come up with and be able to write an equation based off of that. So if we look at the first one, the Lopez family goes to the movies. They buy 2 adult tickets, and as I'm reading, I can tell already I have 2 adult tickets. So that's going to be important. I know going to the movies, there are differences between adult and children's tickets. So the 2 adult tickets are $6 each, and 3 child tickets. Okay, so again, I know that's important. Adult and child tickets. 3 child tickets for $4 each. So I've got some information already that gives me an idea of how I might have to approach this problem. Now, it asked me to write an equation to represent how much money the family spends on movie tickets, T. So when we write our equation, T is going to stand in for the total cost of our movie tickets. So one way to approach this is that we can draw a picture, as I said, to represent what we're doing. So we have 2 adult tickets, and then we're going to have 3 child tickets. And we know that each of the adult tickets is going to be $6. Let's go ahead and include our dollar sign so we remember that we're dealing with money. $6. And then each child ticket is going to be $4. So I have 2 adult tickets for $6, 3 child's tickets for $4. If I were to write that into an equation, again, remember the total cost of my ticket is going to be T. So T is going to equal, since I have 2 adult tickets, I'm going to multiply 2 times 6. And then I'm going to add to that the cost of the 3 child tickets, 3 times 4. As I solve that, T is going to equal 12 plus 12. Finally, T equals $24. So go ahead through with the rest of the problems, come up with, try to think of some way that you can model the problem to help you come up with an equation. Definitely make sure that you are writing out the equation. That's part of showing your work. And then show each step of how you solve the equation. After you've completed each problem, it's going to ask you about the types of strategies that you use for each equation. Maybe you're able to use the same strategy for each one. Maybe you had to come up with a different strategy. And then it's also asking you to look at one of them and think of whether or not you could write the equation in another way. So I look forward to seeing your solutions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or your homeroom teacher. And thank you for coming to the lesson.